What is vibe coding? Let me explain it in 60 seconds. Vibe coding is a new way to build software. Instead of memorizing programming languages and syntax, you describe what you want in plain English. An AI builds it for you. Here's how it works. Step 1. You have an idea. Maybe it's a personal finance app, a booking system, or a landing page. Step 2. You open an AI coding tool like Cursor, Claude Code, or V0. Step 3. You describe your idea. Build me a dashboard with a chart showing monthly expenses, a form to add new entries, and a dark mode toggle. Step 4. AI generates the code. A real, working application. Not a mock-up, not a wireframe. Real code. Step 5. You review it, suggest changes, and refine. Make the chart blue. Add a delete button. Show a confirmation dialog. The AI adjusts instantly. That's vibe coding. You guide the AI with your vision. It handles the technical details. People with zero coding experience are shipping real applications this way. Right now, today, the question isn't whether vibe coding works. It's whether you're ready to try it. More at Endove Coding.